and welcome to Daily Life, and it's me, Defiantly. In today's video we are going to talk about 9 most common local African utensils you can find in any Sierra Leonean homes or typical African local homes. Well guys, this cannot be all of them, but it's the most common ones you can definitely find. Number 1, I would like to start with aluminium pot. We use it to cook our rice, patching beni, cooking cassava, boiling yam, cooking fufu, and we also use it to boil hot water for birthday. And number 2, we have wooden spoon, which we normally call as abaco. Look at that, that's why we call it abaco. Well, this wooden spoon, we use it to mix our rice, to mix our sauce, to get a taste better, if everything is okay, if the season is all good. The third one is knife. We use knife to cut vegetables, onions, clean fish, sliced beef, and we Africans, we also use knife to slaughter fowl. Of course, it's tasty having country fowl. We don't want to call it as country fowl because it's very nourished and you can have a taste with it without even putting enough of seasoning on it. The fourth one is iron spoon. Of course, iron spoon and wooden spoon have similar purpose, but the difference is that iron spoon is made of iron and wooden spoon is made out of wood. And wooden spoon is used to dish out rice, whilst iron spoon is used to dish out our sauces. The fifth one is pan or bowl. We use it to save food or share food with others. The sixth one is coal pot and charcoal. It's an alternative to that of gas. Well, in African homes, we use the coal pot and then put a charcoal inside the coal pot to generate fire. Typical African homes, they use 3 stones and with woods to generate fire, and that one is very hot and it cooks very fast. The 7th one is fanner. We use fanner to separate unwanted particles from the rice. We use it as well, fanning out, separating it out. And number 8, we use calabash. Of course, calabash is used to gravel out stones from the rice, especially when we have those traditional rice like wala wala rice. Of course, wala wala rice, it has a lot of stone in it. Through the help of calabash, we use calabash to gravel out stones from the rice. The last but not the least is spoon. We have a local spoon which we call as Congo 4. It's made out of aluminium. It's neither silver nor gold, but it's very, 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 very strong. When I say strong, it's very strong. So we used to call it Congo 4. So guys, that's all for daily life. I hope you really enjoyed and learned from African homes utensils, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So share, comment, subscribe, and like to my YouTube channel. Once more, it's me, Defiantly. See you next time. Bye bye.